Good morning, I'm Daryl Ponton. Welcome to my channel. Today we got a couple projects that I got to do that's going to be electrical work. So we're going to work our way down there and we'll get started on that. First thing I'm going to do today is I'm going to go up in the attic and I got to check the wiring on this electric door opener. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a hole for the wire to access down here. I want to put this green grounding screw in there in this box. You can see it right here because you're going to need that. First thing you're going to want to do is strip the wires. Now we're going to attach the cover, face cover. We're going to be using what's called a duplex outlet. Basically, it's your regular 2 plug-in outlet for a household or anything. Now this side here you can see is a bronze or a brass color. That you're going to want to connect to the black. And then the silver will be the white wire. And then you can see this little green terminal. That's your common ground or the bare wire. If you look up in the box, you put that green screw in the box, you use the common to wrap it around it and just leave it a little bit long so you can attach it to your duplex outlet. Now you're going to want to take a standard screwdriver and check the terminals to make sure that they're tight. You don't want any loose connections. Then the next step, you take some black tape and you wrap it a couple of times around the terminals for protection. Well, there we have it. We have that installed. Now it's time to move on to the next project. When you're doing wiring, you make sure the first thing that the circuit's off. Get a little electrical tester like this, or something similar, so you know for sure you're not going to get any shocking experiences. Now I'm going to want to take one of these plastic inserts, and on the boxes there's little round metal knockouts. You insert this in there to insert the wire through. Don't forget to put your ground screw inside the box. Now this box we're putting multiple duplexes in, and the wiring's a little different, so I'll show you on that. First thing you're going to want to do is connect the 2 ground wires together. We have 2 duplex outlets we're putting in this box, so we have to join these wires together to make it will fit inside there. And then next you're going to attach the common ground to the green screw inside the box. Next, we're gonna clip back these black and white wires a little bit and join them together, so we'll have 2 wires for each plug-in. I'm gonna take some scraps, cut off 2 black, 2 white wires, so you have the right amount of wires to connect to the duplex outlets. Then you take your wire connector cover, I like to put a little tape for safety measures. You don't have to. When you're doing wiring, you can never be too safe. Now you can see here I got a little close-up. You have your wire going to your next box here, and that goes over there. So we want to connect these 2 wires together, plus also with those, basically you have 4 wires. And then you're going to connect these 2 so you can go to the plug-ins. You don't want to go in on your duplex and connect 1 wire on each one, because what's going to happen is if this plug-in burns out, then it won't feed to the next one. So you got to have direct power by joining individually. You only put 1 wire in each duplex, 1 for the ground and 1 for the live, and of course your common ground. So you're not going to want to wire in right there 1 wire on each one, because what's going to happen is it's going to have if one burns out, this little piece here, this little piece right here, that will burn out, then your juice will stop there. It will not feed to the next one. So that's why you want to connect them all together and put 2 leads. So I'll show you on that. So go ahead and run in these screws on your duplex, just 1 on each one, so you have the bottom screw available. Close up so you can see what I'm talking about. So you only need 1 wire on here. You don't want to run both, because like I said, that's not the right way to do it. You connect in 2. Basically you're going from 1 to 2. So now I'm going to get these taped up. Right now I don't have the face cover, so this electric won't be turned on for a couple of days till I get some more of this completed. I finished up on that electrical. I think that's about it for today. So I hope what I've done and showed you has been helpful. And thank you for watching. This is Daryl Ponton, and you have a good evening.